Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. School's back, and so are the savings here at Conicelli Toyota. Make sure your vehicle is ready for carpools, practices, and even busy school days with these September service specials. Don't let a rainy morning slow you down. Buy one front wiper blade and get the second one free, so you'll always have a clear view for drop-offs and pickups. Keep your Toyota in tip-top shape while keeping your budget on track with our back-to-school Spend and Save special. You can save up to $150 on same-day service. It's the smart way to prep your vehicle for a busy school year. Plan ahead this semester with Toyota Service Care. For just $275, you'll get prepaid maintenance and peace of mind that your Toyota will be ready for every school run, game, and road trip. Get your car ready for back-to-school season. Schedule your appointment today at ConicelliService.com or simply call us at 610-690-6000. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.